Gentle echoes of time's embrace. Each shadow finds its quiet space in the flow of light, a tender trace binds the soul to this serene place. Let it go, let it be, like a river rolling free. In the silence you will see the harmony of you and me. The stars align, they softly hum, telling secrets of where we're from. In the quiet, our hearts succumb to a rhythm eternal.